3D printed guns.
What is IT? Criminals will use advanced 3D printing technology to make guns out of thin air and commit all manner of crimes. Children will do the same, leading to horrific accidents. Is IT real? Congress was so afraid of the prospect of plastic guns enabling crime sprees that changes in language were proposed to the Undetectable Firearms Act, ensuring that metal plates be added to all 3D weapons. However, proponents of the technology don't agree that the moral panic over printed guns is warranted and could hinder the growth of the technology.
The knockout game.
What is IT? Gangs of youths, usually described as African American men, run up to strangers, usually described as white people, and punch them as hard as possible. The attacks are filmed and uploaded to YouTube. Is IT real on a micro level? Yes, but not as a national plague. Moral panics about bored youths attacking innocent people have gone by a number of names: wilding, happy slapping, flash mobs, etc. Before that, it was vague moaning about juvenile delinquency and biker gangs. What makes the knockout game is that there have been a few racially motivated attacks on innocent people, going back to a 2011 murder in St. Louis. But police commissioners and crime researchers agree that there is no nationwide trend of filmed knockout attacks, just bored youths being violent in the same way they always have. No, really, is IT real? According to far-right news outlets and conspiracy-minded racists, the epidemic of black mob violence is very real, and a harbinger of the epidemic of black-on-white race war to come. However, statistics bear out that the vast majority of violent acts take place by two people who know each other, and black-on-white crime is actually rare.
Chemsex.
Chemsex.
White slavery.
James Fox.
Ebola.
Ebola.
Sporting event sex trafficking.
Sporting event sex trafficking.
Poisoned Halloween candy.
Poisoned Halloween candy.
Youth binge drinking.
Youth binge drinking.
Smoking weird stuff.
What is IT? Kids like to get high. And when they can't get their grubby hands on weed or meth, every year a new fake drug is pumped up by the media and fretted over by parents. Is IT real? No, 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 and no. Once in a while, a lurid tale of a bath salts user biting someone's face off perks up everyone's ears about synthetic drugs. But they are rarely, if ever, true. This leads to bizarre panics over things like Jenkum, rumored to be a drug made from actual human poop. But it doesn't exist, and nobody is doing it.
Toxins.
What is IT? Alternative medicine proponents believe that the very environment we live in, from our air to the chemicals in our food, are making us sick and stupid, filling our body with toxins. While science continues to dispute the very existence of these toxins, is IT real? The myth of toxins conflates the very real concept of poisoning with new age drivel-like energy fields. This has created a huge market for products that will detoxify the body. The panic over toxins is a billion-dollar industry of colon cleanses, juice fasts, quack therapies, and energy medicine. These toxins have never been identified, nobody can name them, and it's even what they are or what they do isn't agreed upon.
The war on Christmas.
What is it? The secular, literal attempt to destroy Christmas through the banning of religious symbols, prosecution of outwardly practicing Christians, and the removal of anything that makes Christmas anything other than a non-denominational winter holiday. Is it real? While debates about the proper way to celebrate Christmas have raged among Christians for centuries, there is no organized war on Christmas. It's simply not real. Efforts to take Christ out of Christmas are much more about inclusion and the acknowledgement that not everyone celebrates the same holidays. Alternatively, you can go to any store in October and look at the already displayed Christmas items on sale. Then you be the judge of whether Christmas is in danger.
Backmasking.
Backmasking. Teen sex parties. Flashing your lights will get you killed by a gang. A recruitment.
Satanic ritual abuse.
Satanic ritual abuse.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.